Dobro veče, dobri ljudi. Hello, our friends. If you have caught some fish on the lures that we sell to you, skloni taj prst životinja. Animal, put your finger away. I'll do this one. Nicola, if the Chinese instrument pulls the camera down, you show me like this and I'll go down a little bit. Okay? Fine? Fine. Great. So, I have finally displaced this small display, a chest of true treasure and your financial suffering, but your true source of happiness when you catch the big one. Or maybe you say it was this one, but whatever. We have to remove a lot of lures so we can transport with these hands. This motherfucker is at least 30 kilos of weight. It's in pounds. Sasha, in pounds. 70 pounds. 70 fucking pounds with these two hands. Although I weigh around 130 kilo, 280. 280, Zhenya, in pounds. 130 kilos, you don't know?
No, I don't know.
The Russians, they don't know nothing. They just rocket and that's it. More!
No.
1 kilo is 2.45 pounds. So 130 kilos multiplied, whatever. So we decided to we had this opportunity and we decided to take a chance with it. We have some really interesting stuff in the lower decks of the display. And we're gonna use the youth to help us with that. Alexander, please come. This is Alexander. He is, what are you, 25? Yes, 20? They just come in small. So 25. So you're 12 or 25 or whatever?
No, 11.
11?
Yes.
He's 11. He has been fishing for how long? 5 years, 10 years? How long have you been fishing? Since you were 5? Когда начал рыбачить?
5, yes.
Since he was 5 or 6. Till now, what did you catch? Trout? Что ты поймал? Форель?
No.
Ты не ловил форель?
Yes.
Ты перечисляешь, какую рыбу ты поймал? Пока что. Давай.
Trout.
Нет, ты на русском я переведу.
Форель.
Траут.
Щука.
Пайк.
Судак.
Волай. Or
Окунь.
pike perch.
Окунь.
Perch. Did you catch some beautiful girls? Девочек ловил? Пока нет, да? He's thinking about it, but it's different types of instruments that you need.
Все.
That's it. Only 10 types of fish. That's it.
Yes.
Only 10. Okay. So now he's gonna help us to fill in the display, and we're gonna go and have a couple of beers and talk about life and all. We'll pay him for his good work, no problem. Мы тебе заплатим. Ты нам поможешь, мы тебе заплатим. So now he's gonna enter the displays then, and we're gonna go and have a couple of drinks because we had a lot of things to do and we are tired. Ты знаешь, что такое tired? Мы уставшие. Ты нам поможешь. Мы пивка выпьем, а ты вот достаешь,
Да.
вешаешь и все. Давай, вперед. See you in a couple of minutes. Do you like putting nice lures into the display?
Yes.
Are you enjoying yourself? Yes?
Yes.
Is it all good? So this is one craftsman. What does it say here? It says Tsika.
Yes.
Say Tsika. Do you know why it's called Tsika?
No.
Because his name is Alexander. And then you say Ацика, как и в русском Александр Саша. В сербском есть Александр Ацика, and then shortened Tsika. So it's from Alexander. He has the same name as you do. And this one, which craftsman is that?
It's like 8 kilos, 10 kilos. But mostly they really
Handmade by Nick.
Handmade by Nick.
By Nick, that's this guy. That's him. And that's your father on the left.
No.
Do we have any other craftsmen? Еще есть у нас мастера? Какой ты повесил?
Toran.
Goran. Jay. Goran. More? What's this one?
Melon.
Mada.
Mada.
And we have another one. Have another one. What does this say?
Pav.
Z. Zvonko.
Zvonko.
Zvonko, that's it. Continue, my friend. Thank you. Continue.
When it's not for
You have.
Not real. That's a check.
You just have too many pieces of shit telling you it's the original one, you know, and using the situation, but actually you do. You just don't know where to buy the ones that are original. Nekako da. Ну что, Саш, закончил?
Да.
Может, свет включим? Maybe we turn on the light, man. Over there. So how was the experience? Was it satisfying? Is it all good?
Yes.
Okay, so because you helped us with the display,
Yes.
you're gonna hold the microphone. Okay. Ты же знаешь, что значит с себя рубашку снять? Да? Нет! Вот эта рубашка, это первая. This is the first one I made. Это первая, которую я сделал. Первая. This is the first Serbian Lures t-shirt I made. And this one is yours. Because you helped me. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. And you catch a big one with these, okay? This
Yes.
big. Okay?
Okay.
Great. Thanks. So, did I turn it off? Now he's gonna go and select few completely new lures, completely new ones, and those ones will never get to the shop. And we gave him the T-shirt. He helped us for good luck with the display, and now this display is gonna be in the shop. That is for ski and outdoors, but also with the probably best selection of handmade lures in Serbia. No, sorry. With the best selection of handmade lures in Serbia will be here. Milutina Milankovića, number one.
Yes.
Number one. You will see it. It's WINN Sport, Win Sport. This will be here constantly. I will be here constantly. So welcome and see you here, not only on your web shop. Doviđenja. Say doviđenja. Say doviđenja. Скажи doviđenja.
Doviđenja.
Doviđenja. Pa. Dobro.
Ova gore žuta crta što je žuto. Što je žuto i što mora bude ravna, mislim, jer ako okreneš, znaš, kako vidjela idiotski, ovako, ti ukrio.
Jel viš ti s kime ja radim, brate? Jel viš, evo, jel snima?
Ne znam da snima.
Pa jel crveno, jel snima, brate?
Ne znam.
Pa snima, jel viš da ide, brate?
Dobro.
Jel viš s kime ja radim, brate? Smeta mu linija. Sad će mi kaže mu smeta ovde, ima ovde Nikola Belo, dođi da vidiš, dođi da ti pokažem, snima, dođi da vidiš. Ima ovde Bela u pičku, pogledaj ovde, vidi ovo. Neko se isvršavao. Skini ga, molim te, brate. Morat ćemo da promenimo, brate, skroz izmestimo sve, brate. Lokal ćemo morati da promenimo. Jebote u pičku materinu je.